bottom of the 11th inning. No score in a whale of a game. And Jose Oquendo trying to end it. Oquendo so valuable to the Cardinals, and especially last year. Misses it, loses his bat, and the count 0-2. Give you an idea of how valuable Oquendo was last year. He started games at 7 different positions. No other player started more than 4. He didn't start at either battery position, but he played 1 game at each. He pitched 4 innings, and he caught an inning. He's quite a guy to have around.
He got a loss, too. As a pitcher.
Jose Oquendo, he's a roomful. And he gets a base hit to win the game on an 0-2 pitch. Wonderful ball game at Busch Stadium, and the Cardinals in the 11th inning on an 0-2 base hit by Jose Oquendo beat the Dodgers 1-0. Our thanks to our director John Gonzalez, our coordinator producer John Filippelli, our statistician